Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use and customize the always on display on your Samsung phone. This is one of my favorite features so I can easily glance at my phone and view some information. As of now, I have a whole calendar on my always on display, these notification icons, the battery percentage, and this fingerprint sensor icon so I know where to place my finger. And just like that, I can easily unlock my phone. Keep in mind that not all Samsung phones have an always on display. It really depends on the hardware capabilities of the device. So for example, this Samsung phone over here doesn't have an always on display. And if you want to figure out if your device has that feature, then you can easily quickly do an internet search if your phone model has an always on display. Anyway, let's start the tutorial. Now first, go to the settings app. Okay. Then scroll down and press on lock screen. Then tap on always on display. So this is a switch over here, and you can turn the always on display on or off. So let's turn it off over here, and we can also turn it back on. If you tap on this, you'll see some more information. Tap to show, show always, show as scheduled, or show for new notifications. I have mine set to show always, so that way it's always on. If you scroll down over here, you'll find a clock style, and there are a few additional toggles and settings that you can adjust, like auto brightness, screen orientation, and show music information. You can tap on clock style over here to customize your always on display. So we can select clock over here, and these are some preset styles, or you can tap on image clock over here. So we can add stickers, some emojis, Bitmoji, gallery, themes, and even change the color down here. There's so many different options to choose from. Let's say I select this one over here. It gives me a live preview of what it will look like. There we go. We have an analog clock if you're into the analog style, and then an analog clock with numbers. This clock over here with dual time zones, world clock, calendar, reminders, or today's schedule, and a different position in landscape mode. So there's so many choices to choose from. You can even change the color or set an image clock. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Now let's try to put a sticker, for example. So let's choose this planet over here, press done, and then turn it off. And just like that, we now have a different design for the always on display. I'm gonna go back over here and change it back to my previous style, which was this one over here. Okay, done. There we go. Now hopefully you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Hopefully you learned more about your phone's always on display. Feel free to leave a question or comment down below. Please like and subscribe for more. It helps for the channel. So, thanks for watching.